This is our decoiler and straightener combo, currently under trial operation. During operation, the press arm moves up and down to stabilize the strip, while the lift arm supports coil positioning and smooth loading. The mandrel expands and contracts to adapt to different coil inner diameters, securely locking the coil for stable unwinding, and rotates forward and reverse to control feeding direction. The straightener folding arm adjusts up and down to regulate roller pressure, adapting to different material thickness and maintaining leveling accuracy. In production, this machine integrates uncoiling and leveling into one continuous process, improving efficiency and providing stable material support for downstream stamping or forming processes.